Hello. Yes, we're going to be doing yet another haul. I had 2 hauls. I just did my Chanel haul. And I've got on my 4th of July earrings and my 4th of July shirt. Look, isn't it cute? Look how it's kind of ombre. Well, you can't see that. You kind of can. You can see it on the sleeves. See how ombre's at the bottom too. Okay, so to get right to what I wanted to show y'all. Again, we just went through my Chanel box. And my Chanel box I usually get once every couple of months. Maybe every 3 months. Just depends on when I feel like I'm hitting pan and running out of a couple of things. One of which is my mascara and the other is my blush. 02 Rose Bronze is my blush, and the Inimitable Waterproof Black Mascara is my mascara. And then I also usually will get a quad that I don't need because I got so many quads and eyeshadow palettes. But I got that. So you can watch the other video that says Chanel haul. It's usually about once a month, actually. Oh, and I also got this perfume. And I really do love it. Love it, love it, love it. Very excited about it. Okay. So my other haul, I am a big fan of Inthe Frow. Her name's Victoria here on YouTube. And I have watched her grow from someone who was just a bohemian beauty, au naturel, always loved fashion, always showing outfits, skinny little girl in her 20s, I guess. And I watched her grow from someone who had a couple of hundred to a couple of thousand, and now she's almost at 1 million. But more importantly than her YouTube subscribership, she has just her hard work. Okay, also, her now fiance was her boyfriend then, and he also is a photographer, so he photographs her, and they have made it into a business. And she has had sponsor after sponsor after sponsor come to her because she's so hardworking. And she has done a Strawberry purse called Inthe Frow. I think she had 2 little purses and little card case and some other things, maybe in a key case. Sold out. They restocked, sold out again. Now, I don't know what that means. I don't know if they only do like 500 units. I don't know. But that's impressive. She's in London. She's a London vlogger, YouTuber. And they're getting more to be travel vloggers. So, these young gals. So, there's like a group of 5 of them, and Dior's picked them up. And so, they get Dior clothes on loan, and I guess they have an option to buy at discount. I have no idea. But what a really cool opportunity to be that young and be able to do something like that. Especially because she loves fashion so much. And so, she wrote a book. And I actually like her book. I feel like, first of all, she has a PhD, which is quite impressive to me to be so young. And just dedicated to the intelligence side of the business. And I forgot what it's in. I don't know if it's in marketing or if it's in... I don't remember what it's in. What her initial degree was in, what she mastered in, and what she PhD'd in. Or she may have gone, like some people go from their initial studies straight to PhD, and then you skip the master. Or maybe she did that. I don't know. Bottom line is, the gal wrote a book. It's about this thick. I have it over there somewhere. And I really, really do like it. Or do I have it right here? So I got a lot of my fashion books here, from face paint and making faces. These are other people who've done that. But hers is about also the social media and how it's driving the fashion industry. So she's just, and she knows it well, and so she has worked it to her advantage, her and her future husband. What's his name? Harrison. And he's an excellent photographer. Oh my gosh, he takes a lot of chances, jumping up in the air, doing silly stuff. I don't ever consider him doing dangerous stuff because I will not promote that. Like people who go to the edge of a cliff and jump and hope they don't go over the cliff. And people die that way. It's like, or I've seen some of these gals that they will be standing on the edge of a building. I'm like, that, I don't know who's telling you to do that, but that's not worth it. And it's not sending a very good message to people to try to do those kind of selfies like you do, because people could die that way. So it really kind of irks me when that kind of thing happens. But she doesn't do that. Her pictures are quite classy. And like I said, several lines have picked her up by now. So besides her book, I think she got her own lipstick color from Charlotte Tilbury. Of course, they're in London, so Charlotte's not stupid. She knows that she needs to pick up that young crowd, and these gals are awesome at what they do. And so it is helping promote the Charlotte Tilbury line. I think she got her own color. It may have been called Victoria. I don't remember. That's a big deal. And I think she got another color somewhere else. I don't know that she's done a full face palette. I can't remember. Or eye palette. I don't think so. But she did come out with this, which is unique because all of them do the eye palette sometime or another. And she did this instead. And this is from, this F is for Frow, in the Frow. She picked, I'm sure she got to pick this. The F might be for Feel Unique, but also it could be in the Frow. But Feel Unique is what's on the actual pull tabs. But she probably got to pick some things, sponsor it, sell stuff, pick what would be inside. And I bet you she picked this color because it's just unique. Everybody picks blush or cream or black. She picked this bright, vibrant yellow. And I think that's great because of the time of year she introduced it. It makes a lot of sense. It's a travel case. And it's like a faux leather, but it's so soft it really does feel like leather. Okay, so I'm going to show you the things that she has in it. You get this little eye mask, little satin eye mask with the little elastaband, which I think is very, very cute. Just go ahead and take it out of there. It's got stars and moons and, you know, the night sky on it. So I think that's, and it's a really vibrant color. Look at this color together. These are like two of my favorite colors together. This yellow, this royal violet blue, and magenta are my favorite colors together. So I love this color combo. So that's that. You can take with you. So remember, this is for travel. My 8 travel heroes. So it's a pack of Invisibobbles to throw your hair in a bun. Origins Ginseng eye cream to hydrate under your eyes. Amaravitsa Queen of Hungry Mist, which a refreshment in a bottle. Usually that stuff's around $100, y'all, by itself. This wasn't that, and it's a full size. Guerlain, some people pronounce it Guerlain, it's actually Guerlain. Midnight Secret Recovery Treatment, because I never get on a plane without it. And Lumine Nutricharging Skin Savior Balm can be used on your lips, eyes, cheekbones. So, and it's just a little booklet telling you about everything. It also has this nice little plastic bag that is travel happy for the airport. But you could use this in your purse. I mean, I think it's great. I love it. It's got the yellow. Okay, so here is the Elemis Pro Collagen Hydra Gel Eye Mask. Elemis is a very high-end, excellent skincare line. So nothing about this is cheap. I mean, it's really nice. Also a nice mirror, so you know when you're trying to get your mascara, look at something up close. The thing that impressed me most of all is this. This is a full size. Looks like it's the Queen of Hungry Amaravitsa refreshment spray, and this is good to spray on your face when you wake up in the morning for refreshment before you put your makeup on, or you can use it as a setting spray. Y'all, I think this is a full size. Oh my gosh, it's a special edition even. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all, this is really nice. This is an excellent spray for, you can set your makeup with it. I give it a good shake. It smells kind of like orange blossom to me. Oh my gosh, there's a whole story that goes behind this about the woman was older, like 50, and a young prince, 20 years old, thought she was so beautiful he thought she was 20 years old, and something like that. Queen of Hungry. You can go look up the story. Alright, here is Lumine Skin Savior Balm. So this is a wonderful skin moisturizer. After a long dark winter comes an intense burst of continuous summer light. Arctic Luminescence. Listen to your skin. Hydrating. It's a hydrating cream. It's got all kinds of minerals and vitamins and antioxidant and lipids. Ceramides. Oh my goodness. I assume you just, it's got a lot to read on the box. I assume what you would do, let's just open it, is put it on a clean face after you wash your face really good. Put it on under your makeup. Or if you just don't feel like makeup that day, just put on moisturizer for the day. Let's look at it. You're like, hey, we don't want to look at a box. Open that thing, Beth. Okay. Oh, it's very, very nice. Look, it's very natural looking with the sage green, spa green, and this wooden look top. Let me see what it smells like. Okay, that balm. Is that for skin or lips? I think this might be for, well, it might be for both. Yeah, it feels more like for lips. What does her thing say? See, this is where it's good to have it. Savior Balm. Can be used on lips, eyebrows, cheekbones, dewy glow, or even on your cuticle. It does everything. Okay, so it's a full Mom. All right, and then here is her little Invisibobbles. See these little clear? You can pull your hair back. I'm going to be using that because I'm fixing to go get my convertible and ride around a little bit. And then it's got some little earplugs. Again, this is for travel. Some Caudalie. Again, this is a very high-end brand. Hand and nail cream. So it's a hand cream to put in your purse. Very nice. Oh my goodness. By Terry. This is by Terry. Y'all, these are very high-end brands. She really picked some nice stuff. I can't remember the price, but I know this is under $100. And y'all, the things I've pulled out so far are almost $100 each. So this is, and these are look like full size. I can get this open. I want to show it to y'all. This is her lip. This is by Terry lip. Bomb. I'm going to put some right over my lipstick. Oh, wow. Very rich. Usually you would put this underneath. But I'm just blending it into my lipstick. It doesn't, it's unscented, actually. Isn't it? Lip care. Rose. It's a Rose product. And I do like that it's not actually where you put your finger in. I like that it's something that has a doe foot applicator. And then also a little Origins eye cream. Again, that's a really good brand. And then Guerlain Night Secret. This is a night recovery treatment that you put on after you take your makeup off with your makeup remover. Then wash your face with the cleansing milk. And then put this on before you go to bed. And I would say do that for 15 minutes before you go to bed. So it absorbs into your skin really, really well. How close am I? I can't see. So that it absorbs into your skin and it doesn't like get on your pillowcase. Especially if you're using a silk or satin pillowcase, which is really better for you. So anyway, hold on. I'm going to open it real fast so you can see what's inside. I can get it open in time before this cuts off. How big is it? It's that size. So that's a night cream. So I feel like this is a fantastic kit. Again, it's Feelunique. Yeah, Feelunique, and it's in the Frow